In this video, we'll show you how to use the NV400's powerful 10x optical zoom, adjust focus correctly, and optimize your night vision settings. Unlike most digital night vision devices, the NV400 features up to 10x optical zoom, allowing you to observe distant subjects in greater detail before using any digital zoom. The two adjustment wheels on the left side control optical zoom and focus. Understanding how they work is the key to getting a clear image. The outer wheel controls optical zoom. Rotate it counterclockwise to increase magnification, up to 10x optical zoom. After changing the zoom level, the image may appear blurry. This is normal. Keep the outer zoom wheel fixed, then slowly rotate the inner wheel to adjust focus until the image becomes sharp and clear. Every time you change the optical zoom level, you'll need to readjust focus to achieve maximum image clarity. In dark environments, infrared illumination helps improve visibility. Short press the up or down button to enter infrared mode. The screen will display the current IR level. The NV400 offers 7 infrared brightness levels, from IR1 through IR7. Higher levels provide brighter illumination for longer viewing distances. When IR7 is selected, short pressing up again exits infrared mode. Likewise, pressing down while at IR0 will also exit infrared mode. The wheel on the right side adjusts the infrared beam angle. Rotate it counterclockwise for a wider beam and shorter illumination distance when observing nearby subjects. Rotate it clockwise to concentrate the infrared beam and extend viewing distance. In addition to optical zoom, the NV400 also offers up to 8x digital zoom. Press and hold the up button to increase digital zoom magnification. Press and hold the down button to reduce digital zoom magnification. For the best image quality, we recommend using optical zoom first, and digital zoom only when additional magnification is needed.